Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening the meeting or chat and selecting Share Content, then Whiteboard. This gets you immediately into a collaborative canvas. Once done, pick New Whiteboard or open a recent board so everyone sees the same view. Make sure to grant edit or view permissions to participants and pin the whiteboard window for fast access. This prevents losing your place when switching apps. These first steps set the foundation for a focused, editable session. Now you'll build content. Choose pen, highlighter, shape, text box, or sticker tools to capture ideas quickly. While you work, use grid or ruler options for alignment and frames to group related items. This keeps the board readable as it grows. Once components exist, drag to reorganize and use colors or layers to separate contributors or priorities, which reduces confusion. Make sure to zoom and pan as needed so you and others can focus on details without losing context. Finish by exporting a snapshot or saving the board to the channel so everyone gets a record. Once done, tidy frames, resolve comments, and write clear next steps directly on the canvas. Make sure to name the board and confirm who retains editing rights for follow-up. If participants report issues, refresh the team's app, verify whiteboard permissions, or rejoin the meeting. These actions usually restore sync. If problems persist, download a local copy and share it manually to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.